Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick Dollar Tree haul. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in such a long time. I have one nearby, but I just never tend to go, and I decided to go check out what they have, and I want to share with you what I picked up. So the first thing I picked up was these super cute candles, and I thought they would be fun to add to some Happy Mail. This one says, "Be happy, be bright, be you." They're super tiny, but I love the packaging, the pink, and it looks like watercolored. So I picked up two of these, and I picked up this one that says Mermaid Kisses. You guys, look how cute this is. And I think this would be fun to add to like unicorn mail or mermaid mail. So I picked up one of these. I also picked up some boring stuff, which is just some little mailing envelopes that I use to mail some smaller Happy Mail packages. I also picked up this super cute inflatable character, and I thought this would be fun to add, you know, just as a little gift in some summer Happy Mail. Also picked up some candy. I picked up some mini sour carnival pops. I like to pick up candy that has cute packaging just for the purpose of the Happy Mail, which is why I picked up this one, which is saltwater taffy. How cute is this? You guys, I thought it was so fun. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this and put it in some mail, or open it up and kind of like put it in little bags and stuff like that. Speaking of little bags, I bought these cute little organza bags, these little pink ones. I had a bunch of these, you guys, and I don't know what I did with them. So I picked up another one. You get 8 in a pack, and this was in the baby section, if you guys want to know. And then I've never really used red line tape. I see a lot of crafters use it, so when I saw these, I figured why not try it out. I don't know how good it is, but I never really tried red line tape, but I see a lot of people use it, so I figured why not. Have you guys tried this out? I've never tried it out. I only use my ATG gun or hot glue. Non-craft related is these 2 bottles of Barbie detangler. You guys, these smell so good, and it makes your hair smell so good. So whenever I see them, I always pick up a few bottles just because I love what it smells like. And look at this packaging, you guys. So cute, right? And you can even add this as a gift in Happy Mail. It would be so fun. Imagine doing like, maybe I should do that, like a Barbie swap with someone. That'll be so fun. I've never done it. Has anybody done a Barbie swap? Next thing I picked up is this cute little set that I have been seeing lately in Dollar Tree hauls. And it's just fun to add these little things like this as gifts in Happy Mail. This one says faith, hope, and love. This one says dream. I've been really stocking up lately in gifts, you know, to add to my Happy Mail so that it could be easier on me. When I'm setting up the boxes, I could just grab and wrap it up. This one says be still. I love the pattern, the colors. I also found 3 more of these little notepads. Well, not the same ones, but three different ones. Almost got tongue-tied there. But how cute are these, you guys? This one says I believe in magic, and it has the mermaid, the cactuses, and it says can't touch this. And this one says find your balance. For $1, you guys, this is a great deal. I'm sad that I only found one of each. If not, I would have definitely picked up more. But these are also for Happy Mail. And then I found these super cute little bows in the hair section. And I don't know if I'm going to use the clip yet, or if I'm going to just take them off the clip. But I think they're cute to just clip on to some mail. I love the colors, especially this one. But I only found one. I would have picked up more. And you guys, I found the cutest pens. Oh, where's my... Hold on 1 second. Let me fix this. How cute are these pens, you guys? They're cute little flamingos. And you got the little mint one, the purple one. I picked up one in each color that they had. And then the pink one. I'm definitely going to be keeping one and sharing the other ones. I thought they were so adorable. And you guys know that I've been obsessing over curly ribbons, so when I saw these, you know I had to bring them home. You guys, look at this color. How fun is this curly ribbon? And you get 3 in a pack, which is amazing for $1. And the colors are just so fun. I also picked up this one because this one kind of gave me the unicorn vibe. And I love it. So I'm definitely going to be incorporating this one in my unicorn mail. They're so fun, you guys, and you can just do so much with these. I love them. So you guys should definitely check out your curly ribbon at Dollar Tree because those are the bomb. Also found some summerish straws. I got some pineapple ones. I'm not too fond of the straw themselves, but I'll be changing them and adding my own straws. But I like the little pop-up of the pineapple. These are the cute little umbrellas. And then of course I picked up the flamingos, which are these. They're so cute. Another pack of candies that I picked up is this one, which is dinner mints, and the packaging is adorable. So I definitely had to pick that up. Then you guys, I found the cutest ribbon, and I picked up one in every color they had, which is this one. They had the peach. I think they actually had darker colors, but you know, I love me some mint, peach, and then I got the beige. But you guys, how beautiful are these ribbons? They're so cute. And for $1 and you get 3 yards, that's a great deal. So I definitely wanted to pick those up. And then the last few things that I picked up was this little picture hanging kit. Not for the picture hanging stuff, but for the little box, because I saw Miss Avery do a tag flip, I think it is, and she had this little embellishment box, and she said it was like a little nail kit. So when I saw the box, I definitely thought of her, and I'm gonna try to make a small one and add it to a tag flip. And if it works out, then I'll just pick these up because they're only $1, and you can always use the stuff in the inside for around your house. And the last 2 things are these 2 frames. You guys, how cute is this? These are definitely going to be good gifts to give in Happy Mail. This one says Flock Yeah, and this one says Mermazing. For $1, you guys, great deal. Perfect as a gift. But yeah, you guys, that's everything I picked up from Dollar Tree. Let me know if you guys have seen any of these things at your local Dollar Tree. Leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite item out of my haul? Thank you guys so much for all the love on my latest videos. I know I've been uploading so many hauls, but sometimes you just have to go out there and not only work but spend a little, you know. So that's what I did, and I'm so excited with everything that I had. I can't wait to play. I tried to comment back on all the comments, whether it's just a thank you or answer a question. You guys know that I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the love. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, like, share, hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.